charity. Donate to charity. Anybody? Oh, sir, would you like to donate to charity?
I'm too busy at the moment.
Oh, okay, Miss, would you like to donate to charity? Is it for buying dresses to fabulous people? No? No, thank you. Wait, what? Just out of curiosity, what is it? It's books for orphans. Yeah. How about you? Nothing. I'm way too lazy. Hey, would you like to donate to charity? Oh, sure. Oh, sure. I'd love to. There you go. Thank you, Cinderella. You're welcome. That girl's being mean. That's really nice of you, Cinderella. How dare you be so mean to them? What? I just gave them a coin. Coin? How rude! That's what you get for being a bully. Yeah, don't be a bully. I will find you.